Welcome to this video tutorial. This video tutorial is supposed to be a full course, an online course, and you have to pay heavily for it because not everybody that can show you this. So this is for bloggers, maybe new bloggers or any blogger at all. So in these videos, I'm going to show you how I can extract post, whether evergreen or old post, from an expired domains. The domain that have been expired, maybe domains that the owner couldn't renew or the owner is no longer interested. So you can copy the post, okay, edit it and use it on your own blog, any niche you are at all. This is legal and Google will not penalize you for that. So what you're going to do is you copy the blog. You can download the entire blog if you want, then copy the post, then rewrite it a little and post it on your own. But make sure that somebody has not done that before, and you'll be surprised. You start getting traffic. I've used this and also get monetized. Make sure you follow all the videos. This is just for free. Please, the only thing you do for me there is subscribe the channel, like the post, and hit the notification bell for something like this. I paid heavily to learn this, but I'm giving it for you free of charge. Make sure you watch all the videos. Thank you as we continue on it.